So let's learn how to rebuild a 3x3. We need three things for this. We need our core, we need our pieces, and we need a screwdriver. The screwdriver is optional, but it does make everything a little bit easier, or should I say a lot easier depending on the puzzle. So what we want to do is let's pick out all of the white bits. As this is a beginner's guide, we're just going to do it the easiest way, which is building it solved. So we've got all of the white pieces, white and green, white and orange, white and blue, white and red. And we're going to grab our core and we're going to just pop them in. Obviously making sure red lines up with red and white lines up with white. So what we'll do is just go around like this. We've done two, the orange and the red. I'm just going to hold the orange at the base. We'll put the blue in and then swapping over to the green. Ooh. Just like that. Now, once all four are in, it will become a little bit unstable. So don't go swinging it around like I'm about to do, but this is what we're going for. So now what we're going to do is find the corners with white on them. There should be four. If there's not four, then something's gone wrong. So here we've got white and blue, and white, orange and blue, and all we're going to do is slot it in between the centre pieces and down towards the edges. Working our way round, making sure white goes on bottom because that's where our white face is. There we go. And now we've created our bottom layer, or the white face. So what we're going to do next is pick out any edge piece that doesn't have yellow on it. So here we've got red and blue, orange and green, orange and blue, and finally a red and green. And all we're going to do now is go round the middle layer and insert these pieces. Obviously making sure it's the right way round. Oh. Just like that. Now we've got two layers built and it should be feeling fairly stable now. You can pick it up quite happily, spin it round, and it's not going to fall apart. So what we want to do next is grab any edge piece. I'm going to go with yellow and blue. Pop it in, making sure yellow's on top. Then we're going to go around again, putting a corner in. Oh, wrong corner. Let's move that around to that side. Then we're going to go look for the yellow and red piece. Pop that in. Then the yellow, red and green corner. Just be a little bit careful here because the corner stalks can be a little bit fragile. There we go. Pop that one in. Now the next one. What I'm going to do here, now that we've built almost all of it and we've just got two pieces left, I'm going to flick the centre cap off. So up comes the yellow centre cap, and I'm going to undo the yellow screw. I mean, it's a silver screw, but it's for the yellow face. I'm going to undo this 2 complete rotations. So half, 1, half, 2. And I'm using a screwdriver with a hole in it so you can see the rotations that I'm doing. Now all this has done is it's given us some freedom to squeeze these two pieces in. And what I can recommend is putting the corner piece in first, like so, turning the top layer 45 degrees, and then this is how we insert this final piece. A lot of people put the edge in and then you're ramming the corner in, you could break the stalk, and a lot of people just try and put it straight in like this. And sort of pry it apart a little bit. You'll notice as we pull it, we create a big gap. So we really want to be pulling it apart and then inserting the piece. Now, obviously we can't do that, we haven't got 3 hands, but what we can do is push the edge of this piece against that corner, and it should fit straight in. Now, I didn't use any force then, it literally just fell into place. But the last step is to make sure we do it back up, so half a turn, 1 turn, half a turn, 2 turns, back to how it was, pop the cap on, and there we go. And there we have it, guys.